Get these thoughts from? I've always wondered how young girls see me. And why they rather want me as a friend and not a boyfriend.
Hey! Watch where you're going! Well, Tim.
Ginger! Long time no seeing. What's up?
Well, not much really. Just been busy.
Busy doing what?
Nothing much.
Why?
You didn't want to be my friend, so why are you interested?
Well, I was having a hard time, and I guess it was kind of silly to break up from being a friend with you, Ginger. Ginger, what I'm trying to say is, every time I see you, I feel both good and bad feelings. I'm trying to explain. How should I put it? Could you please forgive me for breaking up with you as a friend?
Well, I was really hurt, you know. Why? Why did you do it?
Well, I got strong feelings for you. I knew later on that you had feelings for Rupert, whom you lived with. Sure, you want me as a friend, but when I'm with you, I just want you as a girlfriend. I couldn't stand it. I wanted to have a family with you. When I saw how much you loved Rupert, I was extremely hurt. Plus, I tried to share my feelings with others. No one took me seriously. I didn't know why. They didn't listen to me. That hurted me as well.
But why didn't you tell me?
Because I wasn't sure of how you would react if I told you why.
I see. Then just take your time. Here's my number, if you want to call me or something. Here's my bus to Marlin Street, where my school is. I hope everything is all right with you.
Yeah, I'm glad that we're friends again. But I still wonder why I was afraid to explain the truth to you.
Fear is a very strange thing. You can be afraid of fear itself.
Well, that felt nice. Sometimes it's good being a dog.